Did you know a cat survived 3 shipwrecks during World War II? Meet Unsinkable Sam. In 1941, Sam was aboard the German battleship Bismarck, which sank. Rescued by British sailors, he joined HMS Cossack. But guess what? That ship sank too. Sam survived again and was transferred to HMS Ark Royal. When it also went down, Sam proved his name by surviving a 3rd time. This legendary cat retired to a peaceful life on land, earning his title as the Unsinkable Sam. Talk about 9 lives. Like and subscribe for more amazing facts.